Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by identifying exactly where the color originates in your document. Determine whether the color is page color, text highlight, or paragraph shading. Open Reveal Formatting using Shift plus F1 to inspect paragraph and text attributes. Look at the formatting pane for shading, highlight, and page color entries. This single diagnostic step tells you which removal method to apply next. Avoid guessing between features because guessing can leave the color unchanged. Use this identification step before making any formatting changes to ensure correct removal. After identifying the source, apply the matching removal action in Word. For page color, go to Design, then Page Color, then choose No Color. For text highlight, go to Home, Text Highlight Color, then select No Color. For paragraph shading, open Borders and Shading from the Home ribbon group and use the Shading tab. Set Fill to No Color and click OK to remove shading. Apply changes and recheck the Reveal Formatting pane to confirm the color is gone. Always confirm removal by reopening Reveal Formatting after you change settings. The pane should now display no fill for the affected attributes. If residual color persists, press Ctrl plus a then use Home, clear all formatting to reset remaining styles. Reapply any needed styles after clearing to restore intended layout. Preview the document in print layout or export to PDF to ensure the background stays removed. Save the document under a new file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.